I've been flipping pages since I could remember. That told me I had to be within the lines of 2 degrees and 9.
Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to speed clean almost the entire house. I have some tidying up in the living room, cleaning in the kitchen and in the bathroom, and I will also do some laundry, and I want you to clean along with me. This video is 12 minutes long, so I want you to challenge yourself and do as much as you can in these 12 minutes, and don't forget to tell me in the comments what you accomplished when you're done. Today I'm starting in the living room and I'm just tidying up the space here, and I will also wipe down the coffee table. So I finally have my voice back so I can do a proper voiceovers from my videos, and I wanted to ask you guys if you like a lot of talking in the cleaning videos or you prefer a lot of music. I really want to create the best content possible for you guys, so I would really appreciate your feedback. Now I'm moving into the bedroom where I will fold a basket of laundry that I have in here, and I already made the bed earlier today.
No, I gotta keep the faith. I never want to look back and wish I could have been. I'm never gonna regret the hours I've been putting in. So take a chance on faith. Your mind's a boundless place. So take a chance, take a chance on faith. So take a chance, take a chance on faith. So take a chance. I never want to look back. Take a chance, take a chance on faith. So take a chance, take a chance on faith. I never want to look back. Take a chance on faith. So take a chance, take a chance on faith.
I also started a lot of laundry in the morning and it's done now, so I will hang the clothes in the living room and I will also start another load.
Had your heart set on me, but these feels they come and go, and they come so easily.
I also wanted to ask you if you take care of your laundry once a week or you do it every day. I really got into the habit of washing one load a day, and I really like it better than everything at once.
Why do I, baby, why do I love the way you always, always leave me? Why do I, baby, why do I love the touch but never love the feeling? Why do I, baby, why do I love the way you always, always leave me? Why do I, baby, why do I love the touch but never love the feeling?
If this is your first time here, hi, I'm Sara and I make motivational cleaning videos here on my channel. My goal here is to motivate you to clean your home with me, because everything is easier if you have someone with you. And if you want to connect with me even more, I also have an Instagram account, it's SaraCorner1. I also post a lot of cleaning motivation in my stories there. Moving into the bathroom, I will do my weekly cleaning in here. First I will spray the toilet, sink and the bath tiles, and then I will start with cleaning everything. I clean the toilet and the sink at least every other day, and I clean the bathtub once a week.
You have to seem so distant when I'm holding you. Your fingertips are drifting away, and I fucking love how it hurts. Why do I, baby, why do I love the way you always, always leave? leave me? Why do I, baby, why do I love the touch but never love the feeling? Why do I, baby, why do I love the way you always leave me? Why do I, baby, why do I love the touch but never love the feeling? Why do I, baby, why do I? Why do I, baby, why do I? Why do I, baby, why do I?
Usually I also mop if I do a weekly cleaning, but I mopped everything yesterday, so it wasn't necessary.
Empty hearts and neon lights, they're playing with my mind. Gotta get out of here tonight. Oh, I wanna run off and fly, and I'll tell myself it's fine to be alone, just to find somewhere.
And now I'm moving into the kitchen. Usually I start in the kitchen, but I changed things up today so it's not the same order in every cleaning video, and I will start by washing the dishes.
The more I swim, the more I'm sinking. Take me to a world of silver. No more heartbreaks, tears, painkillers. Take me somewhere unfamiliar. Bring me back to where we started out. Get me out of now. To where we started out. Get me out of now. To where we started out. La 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 la. Oh, oh. Get me out of broken hearts and starting fights, turning truth to lies. Gotta get up, stop wasting time. Yeah, I wanna run off and fly, and I'll tell myself it's fine to be alone, just to find somewhere that finally feels like home. Oh, oh, oh. I hate all this overthinking. Oh, 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 oh. The more I swim, the more I'm sinking. Take me to a world of silver. No more heartbreaks, tears, painkillers. Take me somewhere unfamiliar. Bring me back to where we started out. Get me out of now. To where we started out. Get me out of now. To where we started out. Oh no.
Now that I'm finally done with the dishes, I will clean the stove top. I really don't know how we can have so many dirty dishes when we are only 2 people. I'm definitely getting a dishwasher when we'll have kids.
What does perfect even mean? Is there even such a thing? Ooh, can we switch up all the rules and imagine a utopia? Darling, I'm just so fed up with these expectations. They keep weighing me down. My heart is begging me to get the hell out of my head. I'm gonna live inside the upside down for a minute and pretend, honey, I'm a perfect.
Finishing up with cleaning the counters and scrubbing the sink. Cleaning the sink is my favorite thing to do in the kitchen. Sometimes I will wash it multiple times a day, even if it's not that necessary.
If I say it enough, it gets ingrained in my head, and I start to see, honey, I'm a perfect 10. Honey, I'm a perfect 10. Whoa, honey, I'm a perfect 10. Honey, I'm a, yeah.
That is everything for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it and got at least some motivation out of it. If you cleaned with me, don't forget to tell me what you managed to do, and if you're new here and you liked the video, please consider subscribing. I would love to have you here. Also, don't forget to turn on your notifications so you don't miss any of my future videos. Thank you all so much for watching, and I will talk to you in my next video. Bye!
My heart is begging me to